Alright, so video 3, I'm just going to go ahead and show the code for the actual creative work part, which was located, it's mainly located on the, well, I'll just start from here. So from the home page, we basically had that drawer. Let me find it. So here we go. So we had that drawer and we had the CS department UCO. UCO is where the extra work was located. So on press, we're going to call the function UCO button, which is located on the controller. So pop over to the controller. I'm going to go down to the UCO button. Past it. So here the UCO button basically is just navigating to that UCO page. Once it gets to the UCO page, which it calls UCO page.dart, it brings you over here. And what I did here, I just gave a description, which that description is just like a basic little UCO description that I put off the UCO page. But what I did for the tabs, so for that tab bar, basically you call, I did it on the top, so it would be in the app bar part, which, yeah, so the app bar is like the top of the app. So within the app bar, I went ahead and created the tab bar. And the tab bar, this is where you specify the default tab controller. You specify the length of the tabs, or so basically like how many tabs that you're gonna have. And once you set that up, you can go ahead and call the actual tab bar within the widget. Each widget is going to be a tab, so separated by commas. So I'm gonna have one tab be a camera icon, one tab be the home icon, and one tab be the description icon. And like I said, each tab is separated by the commas, and also starts with tab. So once you get down, you close all these out, the widget, the tab bar, and the app bar. And now we go into the body, and the body of each one of these tabs is going to be separated by commas again. So basically I have an image, so the tab view, you open up the tab view, which is going to be my body, and each widget is going to specify the body of each tab. So here we load an image. The next one we have the next one we have the text of the University of Central Oklahoma, Edmond, Oklahoma. That one was the home tab, and then the last one is the card where we had the description. So that's how it's all correlated, is separated between each one of those widgets. Alright, thank you, and that is my video 3.